Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus and Snoopy from Peanuts as one character. It's gonna be simple, easy. Let's do this together right now. Okay, let's go over that mixture of Snoopy and Pomni, all right, from Amazing Digital Circus. So let's start step by step, all right, for beginners. Gonna go right here now, and I'm gonna draw actually like a line across over here for kind of the hat that Pomni has on. Gonna go down here for the front of Snoopy's face right here. Curve over here for the front of the nose. And it's gonna pull back right there. All right. Out over here now from the back, and I'm gonna draw a curve in, up, kind of over Snoopy's ear right there. Snoopy's eye, because I'm gonna say things as, you know, what trait I'm taking from. Okay. So right now, Pomni's hat, cross, down. Gonna go over here now, out, Pomni's hat, down, kind of for that jester hat, out over here, downward, circle the ball of the hat. Okay, that's one side of the hat, but since it's side view, we're gonna go out over here, down. So you're not able to see the other side because it's turned to the left. It's in profile. C shape right here at the front for the nose, for Snoopy's nose. Down over here and fill in a part of that. Cool. Out over here. We're gonna do kind of it's like a shape contained within a shape right there. And then we're gonna fill that in. And that's gonna be kind of the color of Snoopy's ear right there. There we go. Right on, good stuff. Down right here, down right here. Line across. And we're gonna draw a little bit curve right there, and we're gonna draw like that little belly that Snoopy has right there. Right there. Down right here for his other leg, because right now we're basically drawing Snoopy, but we're gonna throw the kind of Pomni's outfit on here in a second here. Out over here, down. His feet are like, I would say his feet remind me of like bread rolls. That's personally what it reminds me of, like a bread roll shape. Back over here, up. And down right there for the back. Let's do that other bread roll on the other side. In. Over here for the arms. Pulling down, curve up. Right there. Looks like kind of like an L. Back here for the tail. So let's push more Pomni stuff right now, okay? So over here, there's going to be a kind of like the it's, I don't know, say it's like a cuff at the top of the shoe. Same thing over here. Line over here for the cuff on the wrist, right? For the kind of the gloves. Let's go over here and draw a circle for the shoulder. And that's kind of in Pomni's outfit, right? From Amazing Digital Circus. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. The other thing I really want you to do, if you can, would be to tell me the name of this character. What would this character be called, right? Snoopy and Pomni in one. What would that character be called? Like let me know, and I'm gonna pin the you know, I'm gonna pin the name that I like the most. And we're gonna pull the line up here. So that's kind of separate the color of the outfit right there. Downward here for the collar. Circle and circle right there. There's like kind of these ball shapes on the front of the outfit. Line over here, kind of for the leg area. And we are going to go into the hat. We're going to color that hat right now. So the hat's going to have kind of a striped thing going on. We can do a little thinner of a line right there. Then over here, we're going to draw a thin line kind of with the hat. And another thin line down here. All right, so far, so good. You're doing great. All right. We're all just chilling out here, having fun. And then we're going to draw another thin line right here on the outfit because the outfit is striped. I might make this into a sticker. Let me know, okay? I'm going to put it in the sticker store, but let me know if you want to make this into a sticker or not because I might, because I really like it. Do a circle over here for the cheek, for the kind of like the cutesy cheek. That's a Pomni thing right there. That's a very, very Pomni thing. And then over here, we're going to go for a little bit of the hair, Pomni's hair. Up. And another square right there. I'm going to fill it in. There we go. Oh, man. I like this one a lot. Okay. And that is mostly it. We can do a couple little things. So here's a little tip, and I talked about this in the other one, where you can draw a little bit of dark at the bottom right here, like thicken out the line at areas aiming downward. And that's gonna give it a kind of grounding of the drawing. It's gonna make it look like it's, you know, kind of like getting a light source a little bit. It's like a pseudo light source, because light sources tend to come from above. If you do like a little bit of thickness at the bottom, it you know, definitely gives, you know, a better vibe to it. All right, and here, and curve in right there. There you go. And curve right here. All right, good stuff. What I want you to do is I want you to say, hey, what's up in the comments. It's a really big deal for me. I really want to say, hey, what's up. If you reply to me, I'm very active. If you say, hey, how's it going? I'm going to reply to every single comment. Even if you comment on a video from like 5 years ago, I'm going to find it and I'm going to reply to it, okay? Every single one, try me. I'm not joking, try me. And definitely hit the like, okay? Hitting the like is really important. It kind of lets me know what you want to draw more of or kind of at what pace you want to draw. So definitely hit the like button. It's going to make a big difference as well. Let's get together and draw. Right now, let's draw another one together, okay? Let's keep going. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.